Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix network error. Please check your network and try again, and the error code is 9. Or if you're getting this connection failed, continue trying to reconnect error. So if you're getting this network error, connection failed error, or can't connect to server error in the game NTE Neverness to Everness, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one and hit enter. So copy the first code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the second code. These code are useful to use, and this code are just to reset your internet connection. Copy the third code, paste it and hit enter. Copy the fourth code, paste it over here and then hit enter, and then type exit and hit enter. This will close the command prompt. I will provide these CMD codes in my video description. After this, restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. It is a must to make the changes to reapply. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If your problem is not solved by following the first fix, then follow the second fix, reset network settings. So open Windows settings, go to network and internet on the left, click on advanced network settings, click on network reset, and then click on reset now to reset the network reset. But please take a note, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterward, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So if you agree, then tap on reset now and then click on yes to confirm. And after resetting the network, just restart your PC. Again, don't forget to restart your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to change DNS servers. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task under network and internet. Then click on a connected Wi-Fi. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now check mark the option use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. So you can connect to a mobile data via hotspot and then check if you're connected to Wi-Fi. Fix 5 is to try VPN. You can also try to connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. You can connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can launch the game and check. And if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve network error, connection failed error, or can't connect to server error in NTE Neverness to Everness skin. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.